Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to hide online status on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, open your Play Store and click charts icon and click charts WhatsApp. WhatsApp app is already updated. First, open your WhatsApp. Now click on three dot icon and now click on settings. Now scroll down. Now click on privacy. Now click on let's send and online. Now click on nobody. Now click on some as let's send. Follow my next. Now click on read repeat turn off. By doing this process, you can easily how to hide online status on WhatsApp. Thank you.